I moved the scale up now to flight level 390, and as you can see across that same area, the turbulence has considerably diminished. Just a little bit of a thin line here of turbulence associated with that that jet stream, and low pressure on this side, and a little bit of turbulence just off of St. John's here. So if your airplane has the capability, you can certainly, in some cases, get above it. That's where it's important to know where the trope is. If you can get up probably around, I've noticed over time, about 4,000 feet above the trope, you can generally be in much smoother air. Sometimes it's only 2,000, but generally you need to be about 4,000 feet above the trope. Now, in the U.S., it's difficult to get that because the trope's pretty high. But out here in the North Atlantic, the trope goes way down because it's much colder because of the latitudes. But when you're doing your flight planning, this is how you can tell what altitude you need to select. And if your plane has the capability of going to 390 before you coast out, then that would certainly give you a much better ride to protect your passengers and your flight attendants as you coast out going across the North Atlantic this evening.